Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another Scentbox versus Scentbird showdown. If you want to know what my choice in perfume is this month, then keep on watching. I do this every other month or so. I pick a perfume from each of the subscription boxes that I've never tried, and I just go head to head and see which scent I like more. So just going over the basics of Scentbox and Scentbird, they are a perfume subscription. They carry luxury designer perfumes, all kinds of perfumes actually. It's $14.95 a month subscription. You get about an 8 ml bottle of the perfume of your choice. So not bad. The 8 ml gets you about 140 sprays, so that's more than enough. You could spray yourself 3 times a day, but it's supposed to last you maximum 30 days. And it's a great way to try perfumes that you've never tried before, or maybe just get the same perfume that you've always wanted. Before we get started, as you can see, I have a bunch of Scentbox envelopes again. I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers, to everyone who has trusted me and supported me and used my discount code basically on Scentbox. And so every time someone signs up under my discount code, I do get a free perfume, and that's why I have quite a collection now. I mean, I have some more perfumes that are in my drawers, and so I think I need a second display case. Maybe for my husband's men's perfume, because there's like this blue one right here, and this other blue one right here is also my husband's, and the black one and the gray one. So he's starting to take up some space too. So in case you are wondering, I did get the perfume organizer from Scentbird, surprisingly, not from Scentbox, but majority of the container is really filled with Scentbox perfumes, which I've gotten for free from the referral program. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And if you are deciding what type of perfume subscription you want to go with, definitely check out my video right here, Scentbox versus Scentbird. It's one of my first videos. I have great information about Scentbox and Scentbird there, and I just do a comparison about the two brands. So definitely check that video out. And of course, at the end of this video, I do have a discount code for you, both on Scentbox or Scentbird perfumes. So during the months that I've been a member with Scentbox and Scentbird, I really get a lot of comments from my subscribers, a different perspective about the perfume companies. And so I just thought I would relay that to you guys, just things that I've found. There are some perfumes that I tried to search for and I couldn't find it, but the following month I was able to find it, like the Ferragamo Encanto Charms. I thought that only Scentbird carried that and Scentbox didn't, but a month later Scentbox came out with the Ferragamo Encanto Charms. And so you just have to be patient. Unfortunately, it doesn't say out of stock. It just says cannot be found. The other thing is that Scentbox gives you a new atomizer with your perfume each month. In case you are wondering, the atomizer is this container right here that contains the vial of perfume, the 8 ml perfume, and you get a different color each month. So I think March, April was like green color, so I got a lot of that. This one right here, oh, this one is by Chloe. So I love this green color. With Scentbird, however, you don't get a new atomizer. You get this cardboard container that has just a vial of perfume. If you want a new atomizer, you have to purchase that separately, but with Scentbox, it comes with the price. That's why I don't have a lot of atomizers from Scentbird. They just send you the vial. So when you're done with the perfume that you have, you switch out the vials and use the same atomizer that they provide during your first month subscription. I should just bring it here. I have bought a new atomizer from Scentbird, this bright yellow kind of neon green color. So the other thing is that I've had some of my subscribers comment that some perfumes that are newer, perfumes that are 2019 and newer, are not yet available on their website. So newer perfumes, new launches aren't going to be immediately available. A bigger inventory of the perfumes are for those that are 2019 and older. So that's one thing to consider. The one thing that I did notice is that the Chanel perfume is not in the $14.95 price range. I believe if you upgrade your subscription to like their higher level, more premium rate, that opens up to more luxury perfumes. And so that's one thing to consider if you're like, I've tried all of these brands already. For $14.95, you get a selection of over 850 designer fragrances. That's a lot. I don't think I can try that many perfumes. And plus, you know, there are some perfumes that you gravitate towards. I'm more of a floral fresh type of gal. So far, I've been very content with the selection, at least for Scentbox specifically, because every time I get a free bottle from my referrals, I do get the perfume of my choice. So I'm able to Google different types of perfumes and see what they have. The other thing a subscriber asked me, which was interesting, is that does the Scentbox vial fit in the Scentbird atomizer and vice versa? We both know they are both 8 ml. So let's just compare real quick. They look very similar, but I feel like this is a tad bit fatter. So yeah, so it won't fit. It's not gonna fit. You can't interchange the vial between brands. This Scentbox vial is thinner. It's just gonna fall off if you were to put this in the Scentbird case. The answer is no. You cannot interchange the perfume bottles in here, so they have to stay in their own brand case, if that makes sense. Let's go ahead and smell the perfumes that I got this month from Scentbird. I just went with the perfume fragrance of the month, and it's the Sui Sky. Oh, by the way, I've also gotten a lot of referrals from Scentbird, not just Scentbox, so I want to say thank you for that. I haven't really paid any of these in the last 6 or more months. Every time someone uses my referral code with Scentbird, I don't really have to pay the subscription for that month. So I've been getting free perfumes from Scentbird as well. So thank you for that. So this is the perfume bottle. Soar through the clouds and the wind carrying you higher. Take flight to a place full of endless possibilities. The notes are juicy pear, lily of the valley, and airy popcorn. That is interesting to me. This is a perfume made in France and it's rebottled by Scentbird. Let's go ahead and try this. And of course, unfortunately, I don't have an atomizer for it. Comment down below if you've tried this perfume before. Ooh, it smells really good. I feel like this smells like something. I've had this scent before, like a Victoria's Secret perfume bottle. Yeah, it is so similar. I really like it though. It smells really good. It smells floral, of course. You get the pear. Yeah, the lily is strong here. Let's give it a moment to settle on my skin. And then for Scentbox, you get this box right here together with the envelope. Clean, cool cotton. The thing with Scentbox, their card has nothing to do with the perfume that you selected. I got the clean perfume. I've heard a lot about this. Specifically, Kathleen Lights has been raving about the clean brand, and so I've always wanted to try that. With Scentbird though, they send you information about the perfume that you actually picked. And this is not because I ended up getting the scent of the month. Even if I chose a different type of perfume, they would still give you a card that has to do with the perfume of your choice. So I like that convenience because sometimes I forget what I got. All right, so this is the Clean Cool Cotton. Clean Classic is a $74 perfume at Sephora. That's the 60 ml or 2 ounce bottle. It's actually a clean brand of perfume as well. So that's amazing. So the notes are grapefruit, jasmine, and cedarwood. I definitely smell the woodsiness in here, but not too strong. The scent type is supposed to be fresh, citrus with fruits. Yeah. When I sprayed this, I was like, this reminds me of Safeguard, the body wash, because I have been using it. It kind of smells like fresh laundry or the Downy dryer sheets. This is definitely a clean, fresh scent. First time I smelled the perfume, it felt like cleaning supplies. Like, no. I smell the jasmine, so there's a little hint of floral, but mostly it's just a citrus scent, like something you would spray in your kitchen. There we go, cleaning products. We're back to the cleaning products. This one is very fruity, but also floral. These two are totally different scents, like separate, totally different. I was gonna say too that I felt like the clean cotton one smelled like men's perfume. So like it could go either way. It's a fresh impression that recalls the carefree days of a weekend morning or when we do general cleaning at the house. So the verdict is in. The winner of this perfume showdown is Scentbird. So I definitely like the scent of the Sui Sky. I hope the Clean brand has other perfumes. That is it, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, I am gonna give away 3 Scentbox perfumes of your choice. I have quite a selection to choose from. I'll have the list of perfumes in my description below in case you want to know what choices you have. That is going to be a mini giveaway in this video. The rules of the giveaway are going to be in the description below, so definitely check that out. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. This is just my way to give back to you guys. Thank you so much. If you need more information about Scentbox versus Scentbird, I do have a lot of videos. In each video, I definitely bring something new about the brands, about the 2 brands, things that I've learned, new insights about the brand, maybe from subscribers, kind of like the one we talked about today. And yes, don't forget to enter the giveaway. With that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you back in my corners soon. Bye!